Hello guys, in this video we are going to create scrolling effect in Figma. Let's create frame. Add random blobs in frame. Change color. Go to Effects, change it to Layer Blur, set value of 500 and follow this process with another blob. Select both layers and flatten it. Select Frame and add Layout Grid. In web design, a grid layout is a way of structuring and organizing page content such as text, images, buttons, and other elements. Add product image in design. Duplicate this image using Ctrl D. Flip this duplicate image. Set opacity to 20% and set layer blur effect to 50. Drag and drop logo. Create menu button using line tool. Turn on Layout Grid option to organize all elements. Add some text to the web page. Let's create Call to Action button. CTA act as signposts telling users what they need to do next. Without clear CTA, users may struggle to see the route to buying a product or signing up for a service. Let's make this web page more attractive using some text in background. Set this text behind the product image. Let's create webcard using rectangle tool. We are going to create glass effect for our webcard. Add product image in design. Let's add product name and its description in webcard. Add CTA buttons in this webcard. Group this layers and name it webcard. Duplicate this webcard using Ctrl-D. Make 2 copies of it and align it. Add another frame in webpage to pop out text with these webcard. Hide this text layer using arrow keys from your keyboard. Move this webcard to the left side and change its angle to -22. Make sure you put all webcards in main frame. Move this webcard to the bottom of webpage. Move this webcard to the right side and change its angle to 22 degrees. Duplicate your webpage frame using Ctrl-D. Move this text layer using arrow keys from your keyboard. Bring all our webcard in this frame and align it. Turn off these layers. Rotate this vector layer to 180 degrees. Switch to prototype. Connect these 2 frames using plus icon and follow this interaction details. Now hit play icon. Here is our final output. Hope you like it.